Hi, this is Vijay Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to find and follow channel on WhatsApp web. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Find and follow people and organization you care about on WhatsApp channel to stay informed or learn something new. When you follow a channel, you'll see updates like written notes, links to information, photos, or video from them. And what if you want to follow channel from your WhatsApp web? It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our WhatsApp web. You can log in to your WhatsApp account on your WhatsApp web. After that, you can just go to the channel section on the left side on your screen here. There is a channels. You can just click on that. So here's there's a discover some channel on your WhatsApp. You can follow if there is interest you like this channel. You can just click on follow, or you can also follow more than one channel. If you want to review the channel first, you can just click on the channel and see what's inside the channel like this. So you can, if you want to follow, you can just click on the upper right corner here. You can click on that after you review the channel. Or maybe you want to search another channel, you can just click on find channel. There's so much channel on the explore. You can also filter the channel from the most active. You can also review all channel before follow the channel. You can see the most active channel or the most popular and the new channel on WhatsApp here. It's so simple, right? So that is how to find and follow channel on WhatsApp web. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.